Welcome to another edition of Vocabulary Exercise Part 11 from Unstoppable Learning. Please subscribe the channel if you like our exercise. Today we have an interesting exercise of how to make a brick. You can see the blanks available. Please try to fill the blanks with the appropriate vocabulary word. Let's start with the first one. First, the surface clays and shales are mined from the earth. Then the clay or shell mixture is transported to plant storage areas. Then clay is formed to produce a homogeneous plastic clay mass. Wet clay is dried to remove the moisture content. Hacking is the process of loading a clean car with brick for heating purpose. In firing process, rate of temperature is controlled as per the raw material. Cooling is an important stage in brick manufacturing because the rate of cooling has direct effect on color. Dehacking is the process of unloading a clean. Color of fired clay depends upon its chemical composition. The durability of bricks depends upon achieving incipient fusion and partial vitrification during firing. If you like, please subscribe the channel. We have more vocabulary lessons available. Please go through the channel thoroughly. Thank you for listening and seeing this video. Hope you have come up with the new words in your vocabulary. Till then, take care.